Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. We head over to the Penny Relays in the USA, where World Under-20 representative Cedrica Williams secured victory in the girls' discus throw this morning at the Franklin Field Stadium in Philadelphia. This, of course, in the USA. Williams, who competes for Homer Technical, threw 57.23 meters to win the event ahead of Abigail Martin of San Diego at 54.54 meters and Brittany Johnson of Camperdown 47.33 meters. Brittany's twin, Britannia Johnson, also secured victory in the girls' shot put with 14.04 meters. Rochelle Salmon of Adrenaline was third with 13.57 meters, while Juliet Smith of Immaculate Conception finished fourth with 13 meters flat. Jade Dawkins of San Diego secured victory in the girls' triple jump with 13.02 meters. Now on the track, Adrenaline High with 9 minutes 17.28 seconds was the fastest qualifier into the final of the girls' 4x800 meters. Hydel High was also the fastest qualifier into the final of the girls' 4x100 meters after speeding to 44.96 in the preliminaries. Adrenaline also won their heat in 46.64 to also advance along with San Diego 46.80 and Woolmer's girls 47.35. On the boys' side, now the 4x100 meter relay final this afternoon will feature 6 Jamaican high schools, with Stets the fastest qualifier among them at 41.32 seconds. Stets will be joined by KC, Woolmer's, JC, San Diego and Camperdown in the final. Jamaica will also be represented in the 4x800 meter final through KC and Stets, while San Diego, Stets, KC and Calabar will all line up in the 4x400 meter final, where they'll battle the impressive Americans' Bullis High School. To the course we go, where Camperdown High are the toasts of the local high school girls basketball after defeating the Queen's School 36-24 in the ISSA All-Island final at Jamaica College earlier this week. In what was a closely contested final, Camperdown led 6-4 after the first quarter, but the Queen's School took the second quarter 10-3 to leave the score tied at 14-all at halftime. Camperdown would inch ahead after the third quarter with a 10-8 scoreline before running away with the final quarter 12-2 to secure the 36-24 final scoreline. MVP Tiavian Air led the way for Camperdown with 19 points, while Javian Donaldson supported with 9 points. Michaela Morrison led the Queen's School with 12 points, while Cadian Absalom had 11 points. Coach Nyron Hurd crowned his team Royalty.
Well, of course, I'm elated. But of course, the girls are the the players that are crowned today, and they are the true queens.
Hurd also explained how his team once again overcame a plucky Queens team.
It is surprising how both finals pretty much played out the same way, but we knew this one was how it would have worked out, and this was a part of our plan. Because of course, you know, yesterday the tournament was very treacherous, and both teams are tired, but we knew that we had to find a way to rest our ladies and really fight this game in the fourth quarter.
Meanwhile, the Queen's School coach Donald Bimmer was philosophical in defeat.
I'm pleased with the result in that these girls have put in the work that is necessary, but I'm not pleased with coming second. And there will be always next year, and the good thing is that this team is young. We will be losing few players, and the nucleus of this team will be back next year.
Ardennes took third place after defeating outgoing champions Holy Childhood 39-27 in their playoff match. And that's where we leave the courts for now. Shamela, it's back to you.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.